Hi all, welcome to the course. In this section, we will be exploring how to set up the environment and what is the workflow we have. Step 1, install Python. Install the required libraries, OpenAI, Whisper, GTTS, Flask, and Torch. Second thing, load the Whisper model for speech recognition. Third, set up GTTS for text-to-speech generation. Fourth, use Flask or to build REST APIs to serve the AI models. So let me use that. Come, let's make our hand dirty. This is my IDE. This is VS Code Visual Studio. Here I have already enabled the virtual environment, so you can see that. But still, let me make that and share you the command how to install a virtual environment. So the first thing is Python. We are having the third. So Python 3 hyphen m. Hyphen m refers message space when. When is virtual environment? So we are saying Python that I'm going to create a virtual environment. So I need to keep a name for that. Let me keep it as AI speech. It can be anything for your convenience. So let me keep it as AI speech. It takes some time. Next, we have to get into that and install our packages. So why to do so? Why I have to create a virtual environment and do my project? It is a best practice that, see, I'm having NumPy for AI, data science, data analytics, everything we need NumPy. So I'm having a version called 2.1.3. And the next project which I make that requires 2.11.5. So if I have a common package in my system and that is creating a contradiction or a conflict, I need to resolve it for a long time, and that is not a robust thing. So let's create a separate environment. We segregate it and we follow different packages in that, so that even while the deployment it won't get break. So that's why we are creating a virtual environment. So here, how to get into the how to activate the virtual environment. So that is the main thing. We are having AI speech here. So inside AI speech we have bin. Inside bin we have the script for activation. So actually we are not going to do anything with that. So what we have to do is source. This is for Mac and Linux systems. Source. So the path AI speech bin slash activate. So this script will create a virtual environment which you can see here. So I have got my virtual environment, but still I don't have my packages. So we need a package. I'm creating a separate file called not here. So let me create it inside this STTTTS. That is nothing but speech to text and text to speech. So here let me create a file called requirements.txt, which is a text file. So where I can load these things, which is Flask, Whisper, Torch, GTTS, OpenAI Whisper. So actually Whisper is outdated one. We can remove this. We can have OpenAI Whisper. I'm just saving the file. So what Flask does? Flask is used for creating the APIs, REST APIs, which we are going to use in this project. Torch for AI, absolutely. So to process the model. GTTS is nothing but the text to speech model, and OpenAI Whisper is for the models which we are going to load in this. So how to install this? We are having a command called pip install -r requirements.txt. So once I run this, all the packages are going to be run and it will be downloaded in the virtual environment. So I can use this even for deployments. So see, this requirement.txt I'll be using in my deployments too. So it takes some 2 to 10 minutes. Now it is done. And it is always a best practice to copy this. So we will be having pip sometimes outdated. So we don't want anything to be outdated. Let me paste the same command pip install upgrade pip. Let us check the Python version. So Python hyphen hyphen version, which gives the Python version. So here we are using 3.12. That's fine. We have set up the environment. Let's make our hands dirty in the next part. Thank you.